Have you ever had a gut feeling that turned out to be true, or dreamed about something that actually happened the next day? What if I told you that these experiences might not just be coincidences, they could be psychic abilities? But here's the big question. Can science explain psychic powers? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into the science behind psychic phenomena, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. First, let's break it down. Psychic abilities, also known as extrasensory perception or ESP, refer to the ability to gain information beyond the five senses. This includes things like telepathy, reading someone's mind, clairvoyance, seeing events happening far away, precognition, predicting the future, and even psychokinesis, moving objects with your mind. Sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But here's the twist: for centuries, people have claimed to possess these abilities. So, is there any truth to it, or is it all just smoke and mirrors? Well, science has been trying to answer this question for decades. Let's explore what researchers have discovered so far. One of the most famous studies on psychic abilities was conducted by J.B. Rhine at Duke University in the 1930s. Rhine used Zener cards, a deck of cards with symbols like circles, squares, and stars, to test if people could guess the symbols without seeing them. Some participants performed better than chance, sparking debates about the existence of ESP. But here's the catch. While some studies showed intriguing results, many were criticized for poor methodology or lack of reproducibility. So, does that mean psychic abilities are a myth? Not so fast. Some scientists believe that psychic abilities might be linked to quantum physics. For example, quantum entanglement suggests that particles can be connected across vast distances, instantly influencing each other. Could our brains be tapping into something similar? Another theory involves the power of the subconscious mind. Our brains process millions of bits of information every second, but we're only aware of a tiny fraction. Psychic experiences might just be our subconscious picking up on subtle cues that our conscious mind misses. Still, the scientific community remains divided. While some researchers are open to the possibility, others argue that there's no concrete evidence yet. But that doesn't stop people from experiencing these phenomena every day. Let's talk about real-life examples. Have you ever heard of the feeling of being stared at? Many people report sensing when someone is looking at them, even from behind. Studies have shown that humans might have a subtle ability to detect gaze, possibly rooted in our evolutionary survival instincts. Then there are cases of precognition. For instance, some people claim to have dreamed about major events, like the sinking of the Titanic or the 9/11 attacks, before they happened. While these stories are fascinating, they're often dismissed as coincidences or selective memory, but what if there's more to it? Of course, skeptics argue that psychic abilities are nothing more than tricks, illusions, or the power of suggestion. Magicians like James Randi have famously debunked psychic claims, showing how easily people can be fooled. And let's not forget the placebo effect. Our minds are incredibly powerful and can create experiences that feel real, even if they're not. So, where does that leave us? Is it all in our heads, or is there a scientific basis for psychic abilities? The truth is, we don't have all the answers yet. But that's what makes this topic so exciting. Whether you're a believer, a skeptic, or just curious, one thing's for sure: the human mind is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So, what do you think? Can science explain psychic abilities, or is it something beyond our understanding? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.